Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping in, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP. You will also want to check out my Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. All at. Let me just get my video here. See if anybody is here with me. Today we are going to be finishing off our second side, our spinning board. We did have the clean already done. I think you can see that. And then, oh, you know what? I think that's better. And then now we are going to work on the other side. And all that is this piece here. We are going to fuzz it again because we cut this in two. Transfer. All fuzzing is putting it down on our towel here and lifting it up a couple of times to put a little bit of fuzz on the back. That just makes sure that it doesn't stick too hard to the surface that we are using. Some of these stick really good, so you want to make sure that there's a little bit of fabric that you're able to pull it up and not have it stick too hard, because you will pull up the paste, or if it sticks too hard you might actually wreck the transfer, and when you go to put it down the next time it will not stay where you want it. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to stand this up so I can actually see it, and then I will show you where we have it. Oh. I think I've done almost what I said I didn't want to do, so we're going to fuzz a couple of more times. That was almost going to stick too hard, but I gently pulled it so that it, and if you're going to do that and it is sticking too hard, pull as gently as you can, but as evenly also as you can. That just helps so that it doesn't stretch too far. I am having a meeting on Saturday that I would love everybody to join. I'm doing more of a Q&A kind of deal. I will be doing something to this effect maybe, and I'm going to be telling you all about Chalkateur and answering any questions that you may have that I may have not come up with to tell you about. So if you have seen this live, please come with your questions, even if they are out of left field, as long as they have to do with Chalkateur. I will try to answer all of those questions. Let's try this one more time. I'll try to make this as evenly as possible, because if anybody knows me, they know it drives me crazy if it's not. Sometimes it feels like it looks like it is, but then the transfer shows me that it doesn't seem like it is. But we're gonna just use it like this. It's off. Again, we are using paste, so it is removable, and I can redo it if I need to. What you want to make sure though is that there's no bubbles in your silk screen transfer. If there are, then you're going to get leakage and it's not going to come out as crisp. Now we're doing it the same color that we did with the other side. It's Summer Orchid, or Shimmer Orchid, sorry, can't read. So this is just a one and done. It's really easy to do. Your kids can do this with you as well. It is all natural, so it is not going to hurt anybody if they happen to ingest a little bit of it. Again, I always tell this story that a friend of mine had her dog eat some and rushed to the vet, and the vet literally just turned around and said, their poop might just be a different color. It just might have a little bit of tint of the color that they ate. But there will be no harm, no foul. So your kids can definitely do this. They're not, if it's not gonna hurt the dog, it ain't gonna hurt your kid. And my husband's got the sniffles in the background. Alright, now we're just gonna do this really quick. This is just a quick live. I hope you guys enjoy it. Even if you are on the replay, hashtag replay, and let me know that you've seen this in the comments. Let me know what your colors are in your house. I would really like to know that, because I keep doing different colors and I just never know who would be interested in the colors that I picked. Here we go. Pull this as evenly as I can because it is still super sticky. And this is a silkscreen transfer, so there are little holes. They're not actually fully cut out, so there is going to be texture in where the lettering and all of that is. So if there's parts that are missing, sometimes it's not because I've missed anything, but because it's actually supposed to be that way. But the T and the Y were missing a little bit, and that was my fault. So we're just gonna fix that part up. Oh, the D is having an issue too. Okay. All that is because this is shimmer, so it takes a little more of it to come through, or a little more pressure, and I probably just wasn't pushing it through well enough. As you work with it, you'll figure it out. But you want to pull this up as fast as you can. You don't have to rush, but it will dry super quick. And you don't want it to dry in your transfer, or it won't stay on your surface. I'm sure everybody that's watched, I say that 1,000 times now. So there we go. We're just going to let that dry though. But that is all that took. It's very easy. You could do multiple colors on it if you would like. I chose to do it really standard. Okay. So we have it on here. Like that. So that's the clean side. Then you turn it around. I'm trying not to touch anything that might be wet. And then there's the dirty side. So again, clean, dirty. And the funny thing is, I was thinking about this today. This would look really cute, especially at Halloween time, because of the purple and the black. Normally I would use black and white just because appliances are black and white, but I decided I wanted the shimmer, and then I was like, I wonder what that would go for. What that would be when you would really want to use these colors. Well, yeah, but like if it's not your mainstay color, you could use that for Halloween time. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Please come back and see me. And if I don't see you before Saturday, please come and check me out, 4 o'clock. Oh, sorry. I don't even know what the date is. Okay. July 9th at 4 o'clock Eastern Time. And I will see you then. Bye, guys.